Welcome folks to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a very easy, refreshing pistachio salad. It's just got a few ingredients. We got crushed pineapple, pistachio pudding, Cool Whip, marshmallows, and for decoration, pistachio nuts and a few cherries. So this is a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Then we got 2 packages of pistachio pudding. I'm going to mix that up. Get it in there. Then we got, this is 16 ounces, but it only calls for 8 ounce. But I'm going to use half of it. I've got that incorporated. Sometimes at Christmas, I'll put a little green food coloring in it to make it green, festive looking. These are miniature marshmallows. This is a 10-ounce bag. Just gonna put the whole thing in there. Okay, I'm through mixing it. We're going to take some pistachio nuts. Just sprinkle a couple over the top with some cherries. And there you have it, pistachio salad. We're through decorating and mixing. We're going to try it out a little bit. Looks good. It is so good, that pudding and the crushed pineapple. And that little bit of crunch from a pistachio. If you don't like pistachios, you don't have to put them on top. It's good. When you want something cool and refreshing, I hope you'll try this pistachio salad. It is delish. Down in the comments, let me know what's your favorite way to eat pistachios, by themselves or in something. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.